The mall jihad. Impact on Coimbatore and Bangalore is at the end. Mega malls of Yusuf Ali M.A. Lulu are popular in Kerala and now spreading to Karnataka. Please note that the owner does not set up such malls in Kannur, Kasaragod, Kozhikode or Malappuram. Instead, it goes to Ernakulam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kottayam and now Palakkad. Do you know why? Firstly, he does not want to disturb the business of small shops run by the Muslims in these Muslim-dominated areas. And by setting up a mall in the land of the Kafir, he can destroy the small businesses owned by the Kafir Hindus. Secondly, he recruits 20,000 employees in a mall. Of these, 15,000 are Muslim youth from Malappuram and 5,000 are women from the Hindu community. Thus 15,000 men interact with 5,000 young Kafir Hindu girls, potential for love jihad at its best. Most of the girls are silent because their job is at stake. Thirdly, this gives 15,000 loyal Muslim youth the opportunity to migrate to the land of the Hindus as a family. That's 30,000 people enough to determine a candidate's victory, at least for an assembly constituency. These are the three reasons why Lulu's mega malls always come up the land of Kafir Hindus. And for this, the mall owner is raising money from Qatar, an Arab country that is notorious for funding terrorism globally. Qatar is the most supportive country for the Taliban, and his business ties with that country is well understood. The mall owner has also been supporting the jihadis since a long time. A few years after Lulu's arrival, there was a surge of new hotels, juice centers, bag shops, optical shops and other retail outlets, all of which were owned by the Muslim community. After Lulu's arrival in Edapally, the Christians and Hindus, who traded there, have already locked down close to 50 small businesses. Look at how the economy and the demographics have been systematically changed in these areas over the past few years. A reflection of this can now be seen from Edapally to Pukattupadi. The change of the Trikkakara Municipal Corporation is therefore all to see. So the next easy target is Coimbatore with Lulu Mall coming up there. This mall jihad will take place in Coimbatore sooner than later. Bangalore also faces the same problem. This kind of silent mall jihad will only end with the silent boycott of these malls.